In this video, we will talk about how to install Virtualbox on Windows 11. Open any browser and type download Virtualbox and press enter. Click on this link and make sure it's from virtualbox.org. Scroll down, click on Windows hosts. Once it's downloaded, open the file. Click on Yes. Click on Next. Accept the terms of license and click on Next. Again, click on Next. Read the warning and select Yes, Yes. Uncheck the option you don't like for the Virtualbox startup and click on Next. Then select Install. If you would like to know how to install any operating system in Virtualbox, then check out the video link given in the description. Now click on Finish to open Virtualbox. So that's how you can install Virtualbox on Windows 11. See you in the next video.